award season. It's the time of year everyone tunes in to worship the best fashion that Hollywood has to offer. This week, however, one outfit stole the show. Mandy Moore slayed the SAG Awards red carpet in bright blue, rocking a dazzling look worth at least $8,000. The This Is Us star stunned in a custom cobalt sequin number from Ralph Lauren collection. Similar styles sell for around $6,000, so the bespoke gown will run you at least that much. The actress and singer accessorized her shimmer stunner with a $1,500 Judith Lieber box clutch and Jimmy Choo heels worth $675. She also did some twinning with her co-stars, Chrissy Metz and Susan Kelechi Watson, as this bold hue was a popular choice for the winning cast. To score your own version of Moore's look for under $500, try this option from DVF. This Dulux clutch, Lulu's heels, and earrings from INC. Mandy has been having a blue streak this award season, at least style-wise. She donned a $22,800 powder-hued ensemble for the NAACP Image Awards. In a $3,300 dress by Russian designer Vika Gavinskaya, a $1,500 Edie Parker clutch, and over $18,000 worth of Graziella gems, the star was the picture of elegance and proved she knows how to stand out on a red carpet. Get your own version of the head-turning look for $416 with this dress by JJ's House, Milan Bloch's clutch, Etsy earrings, and this Pandora ring. With a hit show, a new fiancé, and killer style, it's clear Mandy Moore is having the time of her life. Just call this former tween idol the comeback kid.